What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to this video about Dogecoin. We'll take a look at it technically, we'll talk about the fundamentals we had in the last 2 days especially, and just in general also what's happening around Twitter. So basically everything you need to know. So let's get right into it. First of all, I do hope you're doing great. It's been some pretty volatile days in the entire crypto market, which you have probably seen as well. Dogecoin has been pretty bearish throughout the entire news that happened, which I don't think is 100% deserved, but I mean it's just a result of the things happening. So right now you can also see we're down about 4%. Yesterday evening we got the interest rate numbers and talks around it going around. Now those were not necessarily bullish. And we were expecting somewhat more of a bullish outcome, so it was pretty neutral, but that means that it was bearish, all right, because we expected a bullish outcome. So that made crypto go down quite a bit, so that 4% drop of Dogecoin is explained. Volume is still pretty good. 5% of the market cap is not that great, but if you compare this volume with the volume we had in like a couple of days ago, it's great. All right, so don't worry too much about that. If we take a look at Dogecoin though, what you can see is that we have been pretty bearish. You could see that this big move up was because of the inflation rate, which happened 2 days ago. It was lower than expected, so that's bullish. But already then we actually dropped down pretty hard. So it seems like there's quite a lot of bearish momentum in Dogecoin. Now, obviously, you can also see that just technically the market structure is quite bearish. You can, for example, see this trend line where we have been making, well, essentially we've been making lower highs since Monday the 5th of December when we got some, those were the last days we got bullish fundamentals from the entire Twitter thing. And Elon Musk, I mean, it's basically the same thing right now, but that was the last time, and ever since we've been making lower highs. Pretty strong touch here as well, strong resistance level, but still a pretty strong touch. So then we got some hope again because of the interest rate, and the results were not bullish, so we dropped back down again. And right now we're holding at this level here at 8.6 and 8.7. That's our support. All right, and that's also the most important support right now. It's not the strongest. The strongest is really 8.4. Like 8.4 also historically has held us up quite a bit, and it was a very important level in this entire consolidation we'd been in after the FTX crash. But what I expect now is, sure, I do expect us to actually move up a little bit more, but then pretty soon you already encounter resistance at 8.9 and 9 cents. Unless we get bullish fundamentals from Twitter, which we should always know about with Dogecoin, unless we get that, like if we get that, I mean, yeah, we're going to get a bull run, something like this, and we'll get up to 9.8 and 10 cents at least. All right, so that's something you should know. I always try to say that in the videos, but it's something I cannot predict, right? I mean, probably sometime in the future we will get a move like this, but I'm not sure if it happens now. So yeah, I cannot accurately really put that in the video. But what I do expect is that from the support level we had, I mean, we took some rough beatings in the last couple of days. So I think Dogecoin is able to get up to that level at 8.9 and 9 cents. I don't think, given the current market circumstances, that we'll break above that. I think from here we'll actually start to drop back down to 8.8 and then down to 8.7, 8.6. Now, essentially the thing is that if we can actually for the next 3 or 4 days stay on top of 8.6 and 8.7, then I think we can do that for a little bit longer, and I think we can actually move up towards 9.2 again. Right now, I don't think we'll easily be able to break above 9.2. I don't think we'll easily get out of this downtrend. I think essentially this downtrend is going to, at some point, bring us down to 8.4. But if for now, on the short term, we can hold 8.7 and 8.6 as a support for, as I said, 3 days, then I do think we can actually get some bullish breakouts again up to the upper bounds of this downtrend we are in. Essentially, the only way in which we could get out of this downtrend is if we get some good news from Twitter. I even think, I mean, even if Bitcoin goes up to 19,000, sure, Dogecoin might go up with it, but it's not going to result in an uptrend. It's just going to result in like a delayed downtrend. So yeah, that's the main thing you're waiting for. If you really care about Dogecoin, if you want to follow the price heavily, create a Twitter account and follow Elon Musk. All right, that's really the most important thing you can do right now. But for now, yeah, that's my take on Dogecoin, both on the short and long term. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care and bye.